Yeah, hey there, Paul Wilson here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, if you're looking to get access to our 7-day free live trading group, head over to freedomtraderpro.com where you can find out exactly how you can do that and exactly how you can get involved. But for this video, I want to talk about, or I want you to ask yourself a question: do I need a trading plan when trading the Forex markets? Now, the simple answer is yes, you do need a trading plan if you want to succeed and you want to get consistent results in your business, because without a trading plan, you're just going to be all over the place, your results are going to be all over the place, and you're just not going to get the results that you want. So I just want to run through a few points in this video that's going to help you understand why you need a trading plan and also help you put a trading plan together, okay? Now, the first thing a trading plan is going to do for you, hopefully you guys can see it there, is remove emotions. Now, if you're not following a consistent plan that's getting you consistent results, your emotions are going to be all over the place. You're going to enter a trade not knowing whether it's going to win, lose. You're not going to know when to enter the trade, when to exit the trade, and all the rest of it. So you do need a plan to eliminate and help with your emotions when trading, because if you don't have that, it can be a very, very stressful business. Now, the other thing that you need to know and that you need to bear in mind is it needs to reflect your personality, your style, and your goals. Now, what I mean by that is, are you a long-term trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Are you an intraday trader? It needs to reflect the time that you have to put into the markets and the time, the time that you actually want to spend trading, okay? So I'm just going to put in here, reflect your goals. Okay, so whatever it is that you decide to do, it needs to work around your lifestyle and reflect your personality and the goals that you're hoping to get out of it, okay? Now, the next thing, when do you enter a trade? So 3, when should I enter? Now, you need to have rules, okay? When you're going to enter a trade, you need to know what it is that you're looking for, whether you're naked trading, whether you're doing, whatever kind of trading it is. We've got looking at certain indicators or certain things. You need to know the rules that need to happen in order for you to enter that trade. Now, if you don't know what the rules are, it's just going to mess with your mind and you're going to end up entering trades that you just shouldn't be in. And when they lose, it's the whole comes back to the emotional mind game, if you like, as to why that trade lost effectively. Okay, now another important thing, when should I exit? Okay, and this comes down to, I hope you can see that with the light there, I can see it reflecting off the board, but when should I exit? Now, this comes down to basically being greedy, because it's very, very easy. You may well have been in a trade and you're just thinking, if that just goes down another 5 pips or another 10 pips, it's going to make me this much more money. And, by doing that, you're just becoming emotional, becoming greedy, because you always want more out of the market. Now, know what your rules are to exit the market. Know what they are to enter. Know what they are to exit. Don't get emotionally involved if it carries on and you could have made more money, whatever it is. You need to have your rules and you need to follow them. Okay, now the next thing I want to talk about, risk management. Okay, how much are you prepared to risk on every trade? Is it 1%? Is it 2%? Is it 5%? Okay, stick to your rules and only risk the amount that you have in your trading plan. Now, personally, I risk 1 to 2% on most of my trades, but know what you're looking to get out of it. Knowing what you're prepared to risk for each trade, again, is all going to help with your emotions and just help you kind of go through the motions of trading rather than going through the emotions of trading, okay? Okay, number 6, know your profits. Okay, and what I mean by that is you know, how much do you want to make out of every trade? Do you want to risk 1% to make 1%? Do you want to risk 1% to make 2%? Do you want to risk 1% to make 5%? Okay, know what you're risking. Know what your profits. Know what profits that you actually want out of that trade. Because personally, I won't take anything less than a 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 2.5 trade. I'm not interested in risking 20 pips to make 10 pips, because you're only going to make half of your money back, and the figures just don't stack up long term. So know what you want out of each trade. And the last thing is prepare for each trade. Okay, now that kind of comes back to all of this, but make sure you know what you're getting into. Prepare everything. Don't rush into a trade. Don't just think, you know, you've got to be in a trade. I know when I first started trading, I just wanted to be in every trade. But now literally I'm taking 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5 trades a week. And that is it. That is all I need in my trading plan, because I have all of this down and that's all I need to do. If you're a scalper, you may well need 4 or 5 trades a day in order to do the same thing. So, you know, just prepare every trade, prepare your plan and trade that plan. And if you do that, you will find that you can trade more profitably. So I hope you found this video helpful. As I say, if you want to jump into our live trading, head over to freedomtraderpro.com, where you can find out more information on how you can do that. And I look forward to talking with you again real soon. Take care.